I work as a lead of academics in an international school. The nature of the school I work in is blended learning, so kids learn both online but then meet at on-site sessions in person. And I also help teaching a Russian language there as a Russian as a second language teacher. Aside from working in school, I conduct several educational projects in Boston. We study architecture based on buildings around us. We study city planning and urban studies with kids. We also do a little community theater where we bring contemporary playwrights and artists, and together with kids and them, we create plays together. We also do a lot of community art classes where we make some public art in the neighborhoods of Boston. And I always try to bring new ideas of what we can do and what we can expose our kids to. When I teach, especially the middle school kids that I teach now, I really like not giving them the answer right away. My favorite thing is actually to raise a question and help them and encourage them to figure it out themselves by having conversations, debating, by raising difficult questions that they don't have a simple answer to. And I deeply believe that art is the language that we can use for this almost on any topic. Let me show you something. We did this class last year with kids in one of the neighborhoods in Boston. Right here. So yeah, we did some sticker bombing here. So the whole thing was like, we talk a lot about cities as like cities being alive. Like there's this whole metaphor pretty common that we talk about cities as an animate object. So here we talk with kids how neighborhoods are kind of alive as well. So all of these objects here, we brought them to life by sticking some eyes on them. So I think there was another one right there. Let me see. Let's go. Yeah, here it is. Here's another one. Here's another guy right here. So they're everywhere now, around the neighborhood. This is the Union Square neighborhood in Somerville. This is a town in the greater Boston area. And there's a lot of things going on with this neighborhood right now because they're now having a plan for the whole reconstruction of the neighborhood and building a new T-line here. So this was the perfect moment to have this class here to study what this neighborhood actually looks like now and what is going to change and how's the local community doing now with all these changes, and is it changing too or not. So that was the perfect timing. Developing the middle school curriculum right now, my big goal is for the next year is to implement a lot of art practices in it and implementing a lot of contemporary artists practices in it. And this is my current challenge, to implement it not only in my lesson plans that I already tend to do a lot, but into the whole school curriculum goals. So this is the main reason why I really want to be a part of Art21 Teachers Institute.